Hey guys, it's me, Dodong. So we are here today at Odysseus Suarez Wedding Rings here in SM City, Cebu. So, anong naamataron diri? Kay nakalimot man ko o lohod. So right now, naako diri to get another engagement ring for my fiancé. So, sana all ano engage. So, ikaw na good babe. I wanna do it right this time because nakalimot yung ko og lohod pag last proposal as you seen sa last proposal video. So mo to no, nakalimot yun ta og lohod sa Ferris wheel. So let's do it right this time and actually kneel. So now we are here to choose another engagement ring for my baby. Let's go! Ano sa atong choices for our engagement rings?
Sir, dami bagang kapilian na design sa engagement ring. Sample. Pwede may customize siya. Ikaw pili, either white, yellow, or platinum.
Okay. So guys, pwede ta mo customize og engagement rings. Either yellow gold, white gold, or platinum gold. So actually, kita ko og design sa website which was this one. So the number 8 or the infinity sign is very significant for me and Chow. So I wanted to give her an engagement ring like this, but I want it to look more sparklier because gabi man kayo pa-sparkly ang among relasyon. Diba? I'm gonna request nga pabutangan siya og stones. Ato practicean. Diba? Nindot. So muna ito ang bago nga engagement ring ay hatag ni Chow. And she has no idea nga she's gonna get engaged all over again. Di ba mga na mga tao nga, ato na naibongga pag itong proposal, kaya isa rin beta may engage. Ha! Dili! Kaduha! Pwede dyan kaduha! Sana all! Sige, what else?
Kung ganun kayo pa-personalize ang engraving sa suit, pwede na ito siya mag-choose na natin mga message sample.
Okay. We can have an engraving sa atong engagement rings. So, daghan kita og mga kanang nindot kayo nga messages pwede pa engrave, no? I love you forever, you're my soul, always with you, my one and only, and so many other choices. And I'm sure nga rings diri sa Odysseus Suarez Wedding Rings are high quality, and as well as I heard nga na yung serial number, no?
Yes.
So,
yes, number sa sulod.
Can you explain unsay purpose sa serial number?
Ang purpose na mo ano na sa serial number sa sulod. Meaning, because asa siya nag-gift or gi-customer of products from Odysseus Suarez Wedding Rings. Kaya naman tayo gitawag warranty lifetime.
Yeah. Okay.
Lifetime warranty na to, cover din siya sa lifetime cleaning o check-up here.
Okay.
Then, sa engagement, sa natay one-time free resizing, ikan sa pag-claim.
Okay. So natay free resizing no from from claiming our engagement ring because dala sa ako experience nga makulbaan ta og mangayo og size sa ato ang significant others kay what if masakpan mabuking ang atong surprise so ato nang tagan-taganon. So ana sila mas maayo nga mas dako gyud imong size kwaon. Kaya di na masud ang sing-sing, di gyud mo meant to be. Dili bitaw. Mas bayan ang dako kay pwede na nato mapagamian. Although Odysseus Suarez Wedding Rings offers free one-time one-time resizing. Exactly 1 month from purchase.
Yes. Another thing sir Dave, aside sa warranty lifetime, natay buyback, meaning pwede nimo i-upgrade in the future.
Yes, okay.
Patakan nimo ang diamond or maybe kana like another design.
If we decide nga atong i-upgrade ang ato ang sing-sing cause ni-upgrade atong gugma para sa atong asawa, di ba? Why not, coconut, no? So since mas dako naman yung gugma, mas dako ang bato. Dapat pareha na kadak as SM ang bato. At least ba, we are aware nga pwede rin kita mo upgrade anytime, no? Especially if kanang mas nakaluag-luag na ta sa tong budget, no? Total jewelry are are very good investments, no? So if ever mahot ng tagkwarta, pwede rin meron tayo prinda. On a serious note, it's a very good investment.
Nag-cater tag best price from sir, bali tanan branches nato nationwide, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Yes.
Same ra tag quotation or prices.
Okay.
Manang di jud maglibog ang customer kasi naasa pa sila inquire.
So all Auditions or Wedding Rings branches are of the same price.
Yes, sir.
Dili din mo matter, no? So wala tayong mga reseller. So na, at least kibawta with whatever branch imo ang i-choose nga Auditions Suarez Wedding Rings, same regular prices tanan, same ra og quality tanan.
Correct.
So yan. So if ever you guys also decide to get engaged soon, I would highly recommend Auditions Suarez Wedding Rings. Labi nagkaroon nga sa ato ang age group, no, mga millennials who are watching right now. If you've been thinking about getting engaged, then this is your sign. Ask me how. So this is your sign because I would always say na don't just date just for the sake of dating around. Always date to marry. Because mo ang ginasakto, di ba?
Yes,
Mag-date ta kay para mulid o kaninyoon. Dili lang kay para mag tuhik mas kinasa diha. So, yun lang. We're gonna update you guys soon as ang ma-okay na ang amo ang customized infinity ring for my baby. So, thank you kayo, Nick. Thank you kayo, sir. And thank you, Auditions Suarez Wedding Rings.
Hey guys, it's me, Dodong there.
Ciao everyone, it's Ciao!
So we are here right now, no, sa San Jose Bake Shop here in Lapu-Lapu City. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try out San Jose Bake Shop's latest products. We have the Milky cheese donuts and the Milky Belgian Munchkin. Okay, so one of our bagong products brought to you by San Jose Bake Shop, which has premium ingredients, so we will be the first ones to try this out. These are available on all the stores near you. Let's review how this tastes like. Ready? Okay, so which one do you want to start with? Munchkins? Feeling mo, sa'yo taste na niya. Tamis, parat, bitter, parehas niya. Sweet. Sweet parehas niya. Sweet parehas ni. Tingnan mo, pero
Naglaway
sweet.
na to.
Sige, ganito. Ito lang. Belgian-y. Ano yun? You know? It feels like love. Ito, so good guys. It's actually Belgian chocolate. So, premium yung chocolate na gigamit ani. And of course, that's why it's called Milky. Kaya dahil siya milk all over. And it has cheese. So, dami kayo. Wow. What do you think?
Want more?
Got more. Ano siya mas dami? Kana or ako?
Kaya ha?
So, babe, gusto ko yung i-savor ang flavor. Okay, later we're gonna be playing a game na atong tag-an nun kung unsay ingredients ani nila duha each. Ha? Nya ang pilde dapat kanon niya ang tibuok box on camera. Dili mo na dapat. Kung pilde ka, imong kanon ang tibuok box. Dapat mahurot nimo. Bahala mo suka ka. So hinay na. Ano hindi, pili ka. Again. Milky cheese donut. Ready? Ano nga kani? Ano? Ako personally, mas ganahan ko ano kay I'm a chocolate person. So, right now guys, we're gonna play a game. We're gonna play Guess the Ingredient. Okay? So, ang pilyon sa mukas pildi.
Mukhaon sa box.
Ang tibok box, ang pildi.
box.
Are you ready? So first, atong i-guess is unsang ingredients sa Milky Belgian Munchkin. Ready? Balik. 4 ingredients. Ready?
Ano yun? Pwede yung bagay na po
Isa down. Wait. Ako?
Ha? Uy, 6 ka mo ang answer, so...
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
Pinaka-importante.
4 ay correct mo. Yeah, 1, 2,
Condensed milk there na.
3, 4, 5, 6. Okay,
So siya down? Next. Fine, yeah. Ready na ka?
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Load last. Load ko pa.
Ito,
Ha? Ano bilang?
Niload ko, ito.
Isa po na.
Oh, dahil na sila.
Wala na. Kasi napunta. Kasi kapunta siya.
Murag ka dito.
Iwan mo siya. Diba? Excuse lang. Kalihar, gini mo ilaron eh. Wala nailad ka na ako. Are you okay? Say something. We're engaged again.
Yay!
O diba, ako ba ako ma-engage lagi kaduha? Diba na sila kanang you're only engaged once. So yung din na ko. You can be engaged twice. Actually, this video was planned out to have a second proposal for you because walang ko kaluhod kang first. So I'm doing it right this time. Yeah. Of course, we coordinated with San Jose Bake Shop and of course with Odysseus Suarez wedding rings. So this ring was customized for Chow because ang amuang wedding date is on August 8th. So it symbolizes infinity and our date. How do you feel?
Ano siya masing? May engaged na kung ba?
Oh, you're engaged again.
Dahil na ikaw-agree.
Yeah. So, abi nimo baka taon kag isa ka box.
Ang bigyan ako. Ay, dili. Girl na.
Okay na, instead ako imong kanon niya. So this video was made because I didn't do it right the first time, so I missed the very important part of kneeling down sa imuhang girlfriend. So did I do it right this time? So thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Doughnut, and don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page Doughnut, and on my other social media accounts at NateCareNick on Twitter, Instagram, and on TikTok.
Ciao, everyone!
Hindi, yung mga social media accounts ba?
Isuot na lang sa
Wala na siya, speechless yan. So, thank you guys for watching this video. See ya!